Hey guys, today I'm reviewing the Glock 45 9mm pistol that came out 2 years ago. So when I bought this, it came with 3 17-round clips, and the guy added the ammo for free at Bauer's Tactical in Colorado, so thank you, Bauer. You guys should all go there if you're in Colorado. So it comes with 3 17-round clips right here. And this is just a quick review of the gun. The little Glock right there. That's it. It comes with a nice case, and I believe that's ammo loader or unloader. There's another one right there. Yeah, okay, that's the Glock 45, guys.